Welcome to Cynthia Lesley Island Vibe. Today I'm making curry goat, white rice, and I'm making stir-fried cabbage with carrots. So okay guys, I already cleaned the goat and now I'm going to season it. So now I'm not putting much season, putting a little season on this one. It's like a herbal seasoning. Put some salt. A little Maggie into it. Okay. So I'm going to put some ginger. I'm going to put some garlic. Turn it around. So guys, this is the curry I'm using. This is my type of curry. And so I'm going to put 1 tablespoon of curry. Not much. So I'm just using 1 tablespoon of curry. I'm going to spin it around. So when you're doing curry goat, you can put any seasoning to it. You have to put the curry and all your fresh seasoning. A little black pepper and pimento. Now, I'm going to put a little pimento into it. Stir it. So now I'm going to put in the onions. The onion you could see. And then I put in sweet onion. Sorry. Sweet onion. That will bring out the goat, bring out the flavor. A little season, fresh season, bring out the goat. And then I put a little piece of scotch bonnet pepper. I have a whole one here, so I won't put it to get too hot. Some bell peppers. Some flavors pepper. Some more scallion. A little more scallion. So I'm going to turn it around now. Nice. Well seasoned, well good. I don't need to put nothing on it. I have a little piece of cinnamon. I'm going to put the cinnamon into it. And a little black pepper, not too much pepper. Turn it again. So guys, this is it. I have garlic, I have shallot, I have ginger, I have bell pepper, I have sweet pepper, I have sweet onion, and I have red onion, and I have scallion. Every ingredient is in this thing here. So now I'm going to light my stove and get it warm up. So I'm going to put a little extra olive oil into the pot. So I'm going to put a little, just put a little more curry and get a little browning more, a little more, give it flavor. So I'm going to use half of this, not a lot. Just going to use this. So then I will leave it and let it get a little golden brown. Not too brown, just a little color. Bring it out. So look at the nice color it's showing. Just a little color now. Burn a little bit, bring out the goat, the flavor. Just hold it a little bit. Because with curry, you got to well cook curry. Curry, send it to the hospital. You got to well cook curry. You can't just 1, 2, 3 and cook curry. Like you're doing brown stew chicken. You got to well cook curry. So, I'm going to put the goat into the pot now. Look at the color of it. The color of it. As I say, it's a ram goat. It's going to take time. You're going to spoon its own water. I'm not adding no water to the goat. No water to the goat. Look at the color of it. So I'm going to rest my time into the middle of this. It will flavor it up. And as I tell you, the goat is going to cook without water. If I need water, I'm boiling water, but it's going to cook without that. It's going to spoon its own water. I'm going to cover it down there, and I will just let you all see how it come out. This is the goat, as I told you, was a ram goat. So you see, I didn't put water. So you take it all the time and spread in all the water. So it's coming to come. As I tell you, it's not a woman goat. This is a man goat. And man is very tough. This is a tough goat. So you see it simmering down. Now, meanwhile, I'm going to do the stewed cabbage. So I'm going to put in my bell peppers. All the peppers into here. So all these is the bell pepper, all these ingredients here. I have there. We have red onion, we have white onion, we have flavor pepper, and we have bell pepper. So now, let it simmer a little bit. And it's how we toasted onion before. I have a little piece of ginger. I like to put a little piece of ginger, give it flavor. So I just throw it down. And you see I just stir it. That's it. Guys, look at the color. Look at the beautiful color. So now I'm going to add the cabbage, because we don't want to get soggy. The cabbage. Turn it up into the peppers. And then I add the carrots. Look at it. Look at it, guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it. at this, please. Get your glass of champagne. This is New Year, glass of wine. When I finish, sit to your table and enjoy Cynthia and Lesley food from the kitchen. Look how beautiful it is. So now I'm going to put a little tip. Okay guys, I'm going to add a little sea salt. Just a little salt to flavor it up. You know, just a little bit, because we don't need too much salt. So I want you all guys to tell me how do you all like, you love it like this or how you do it. So if you love this how I do it, you take note. I go step by step and show you how I do it. So look at it. We're not going to make it soggy. Just going to have it crunchy. So look at it. I'm not even covering it, because if you put a cover, then it begins to get soggy. That's what we don't want. So give me 15 minutes and I will show you everything. Now I still have the goat, as I told you, it's a ram goat. Okay, so you see how the goat is coming. So this will take like, I don't even know what it is to tell you. What is coming on? The goat is coming on. Goat is coming on. Nice color, nice. So now guys, this is the goat. See, this is the ram goat I was telling you about. So it comes down to a boil. So this is the goat. How is it? This is the goat. Look at the nice gravy. So I'm going to dish out and I'm going to present you the food. Give me 5 minutes. I'm going to dish it out. Okay guys, I'm back again, Cynthia Lesley. And I should present this to you, which is curry goat and white rice and stir-fried cabbage and carrots. Anyone that new on the channel, please subscribe. Tell a friend. And to all my subscribers, if this is well done to you all, please let me know in the comment section below. So I present this to everyone all over the world. Look at it. Enjoy it. Maybe you can have a glass of wine or maybe a glass of champagne. Anything you wish to have. All the best.